actually not natural to be a mouth breather. Your nose is preferred place where you want to be breathing. The reason why is because it acts as a filter. It filters out small particles and pollen. It will moisturize the air that you breathe, and it warms the air that you breathe. So it acts as like a filter and a humidifier for the air that you breathe into your lungs. So it's much preferred to breathe from your nose. That being said, mouth breathing is quite common, and it can be caused by a few things. One of them usually is some sort of blocked nose. So either anatomically from a deviated septum, or there's something called turbinates in your nose. Also in little children, there's adenoids in the back of the nose that can cause blockage. Also polyps can cause a blocked nose. So these can all cause nasal congestion, which will lead to mouth breathing. So all of these will need to be evaluated by your doctor and treated.